Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shivani here. Let me tell you first, this will be the most awaited video for you all because literally I got so many comments and DMs ki I should make videos on admission process of NEHU. So yeah, here's that video. So today we are diving into everything that you need to know about NEHU, like its location to admission process, courses, placement, ranking, and obviously many more things. So yeah, let's start the video. So let me start with the basic information about the college. So its name is Northeastern Hill University, or you can call it NEHU. Actually, NEHU has two campuses, one in Shillong and second one in Tura, and both campuses are in Meghalaya. If we talk about the courses which are offered by NEHU, so there are various courses like PG courses, UG courses, diploma, masters, and other various courses. So if we talk about the undergraduate programs under NEHU, there's only two undergraduate programs which are offered by NEHU. First one is Bachelor of Law, BLLB, 5 years integrated program in law, and second one is Bachelor of Technology, BTech, in biomedical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, energy engineering and information technology, and third, Bachelor of Architect. And there's various postgraduate program like MA in philosophy, MA in education, MA in linguistic, MA in political science. Other PG professional courses like Master of Technology, Master of Business Administration, Master of Computer Applications, and many more. And there are various other courses are also available in NEHU. I'll give link in description. आप वहाँ से जाके देख. If we talk about the campus facilities, so there are various facilities available in NEHU like hostel, library, health, and transportation. So yeah, let's talk about the hostel facilities in NEHU. So in NEHU, girls and boys both hostel are available in NEHU, and for PG students, for UG students, there are different hostels. Let's move towards the most important topic, that is admission process of NEHU. So NEHU admission process varies depending upon the program, different program. Like for UG is different and PG is different. BTech students, they need to appear for JEE main, and if we talk about the BLLB students, so they need to appear in CUT UG exam. Now I'm going to show you how to check any notification on official websites of NEHU. So yeah, let's go.
Only you don't need to write the whole university name. You can just NEHU, and you will get the NEHU, Northeastern Hill University website. This is the main website of NEHU, where you will get all the information about admission. Currently you can see that admission for BArch, BTech, MSc, Bioinformatics and Biotechnology, and PhD in SOT. So you will get the notification for BLLB admission also. I'm clicking on the link here so you can know about it. This is admission notice for BTech. This is the admission notice where you'll get all the information. For law also you will get like this only, it's no different. Then here is the prospectus. You can view the prospectus where you'll get everything about the university, how many courses are there, how many seats are there, what is the requirements, and everything in the prospectus. Then you can get other information also, like CUT information about, then the publications and upcoming events, announcement. So when there will be any vacancy or there will be any admission notice, you will get it in here only.
So yeah, that's it. एंड होप अभी आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि कैसे आप चेक करोगे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे एनी नोटिफिकेशन. और अभी BLLB के लिए कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आया है क्योंकि अभी एडमिशन स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज CUT एग्जाम इज गोइंग ऑन ना. सो अभी कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन, बट SOT एडमिशन इज गोइंग. फॉर द BTech स्टूडेंट्स, दे नीड टू अपीयर इन JEE which are conducted by NTA, and their eligibility is the candidate must pass class 12th with subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and technical vocational. For MTech admission, the eligibility criteria for MTech is there must be relevant bachelor degree, and the entrance exam is GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. For MBA, There is eligibility criteria is bachelor degree with 50% marks, and entrance exam is मैट और CUT PG, और सिलेक्शन जो होगा वो एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम के मार्क्स के बेस पे होगा. फॉर MCA entrance exam, university conduct its own architecture. Eligibility is 10+2 with minimum 50% marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Entrance is NAT. So let's talk about the BA LLB admission process. So for BA LLB, it's the students and the candidate must appear in the CUT UG exam 2025 and 2026. Eligibility criteria. So candidate must have passed class 12th with at least 50%, or for SC ST category 45%, and then appear for CUT UG, and the selection will be based on CUT UG score. And in NEHU only 60 seats available for the BLLB students. Let's talk about the cutoff for the BLLB students. So last year in 2024 there was 404 for the open category. As a law student in NEHU, I regularly pay approx 12k, 12 to 13k semester wise. There is some moot court fee, like you have to pay for the moot court 2400. एडमिशन के लिए आओगे तो तुम लोगों को फर्स्ट टाइम पे ड्यूरिंग द एडमिशन यू हैव टू पे ऑलमोस्ट 20k in which included all things like moot court and your semester fee, first semester fee, bus fare, health fee and many more are included in. For the first time you have to pay almost 20k, and in odd semester and even semester there is different fee for BLLB students only. About the NIR ranking of NEHU, so it according to 2024 it was between 151 to 200 and overall in India. If we talk about the rating of NEHU, so it's 4 out of 5. Scholarship, there are various scholarship available in NEHU, like for the Northeast people there are various scholarship. Guys, that's it for this video. Hope आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.